We met one day in a summer storm. Her senses told her that it was wrong. She was a young lady of 23. He was a child of technology.
What's up, YouTubers? We got a new modification here for the Lansky Sharpening System. And what I want to show you is that all you need is two pieces to modify this system. You have the bracket, the lamp fixture bracket, which they call it a plate too, and the threaded tube that fits right in here. These are the two pieces that you need for the modification. And this stands up like this on the table. So let me show you how this goes together. First of all, you get your clamp and you take the threaded rod and you screw it into the clamp, the knife clamp. You can see it's flush on the top here and it fits perfect. It's a perfect fit. Okay, then you take your plate here, your bracket plate, and you screw that onto the threaded rod. Whoops. There you go. Until it is flush on the bottom too. See it? That's the general idea there. Where you have your clamp on top of your bolt and your plate on the bottom. And what you can do with the bracket plate is you could either screw it down to your work table, or you could put a clamp on it right to the edge of the table. You can clamp it, and then you have hands free to work with your stones. You'll have your hands free, then you can work your stones sharpening your knife. It's a pretty easy, simple modification. And where you find this is at your local hardware store. You go to the electrical department and you ask for the ceiling bracket plate and the threaded rod. It's probably about a couple of dollars, both pieces. It's a simple modification, so you know anyone can do it. I thought I'd share that with you. So there it is. It's a simple modification for the Lansky Sharpening System. And what you do is you put your knife in there and you sharpen it. That's it. That's the quick modification for the sharpening system, the Lansky system.